Jane travels 3 times as fast as Jill. Traveling in opposite directions, they are 256 miles apart after 8 hours. Find their rates of travel. I like to draw a little picture. So I am going to draw 2 little cars. You can't make fun of my drawing, at least not publicly. They're going in opposite directions, so that one's traveling this way and this one's traveling this way. And I know that the distance between these two is 256 miles in 8 hours. The formula I'm going to use is distance equals rate times time. And I like to do these problems with a table. So I am going to organize my information with a table and my drawing. So I have Jane, and I have Jill, and then there's often a total. And I'm going to put distance over here, and I'm going to put rate here, and I'm going to put time here in the middle. So I know that rate times time equals distance. And I'm going to start filling in what I know. All right, so I know that the total distance they travel is 256 miles. So I'm going to put that down here in total. And I know that the total time that they have traveled is 8 hours. I come back over here and I know that Jane travels 3 times as fast as Jill. So if I call, I'm just going to call, I don't know their rates right now, so I'm going to call Jane X and Jill Y. And the time is 8 hours all the way around, so they're both traveling 8 hours. To fill in the distance column for Jane, Jane's is going to be 8x, Jill's is going to be 8y. So here is my first equation that I can write with distance. I have 8x plus 8y equals 256. And then my other equation is probably right here with this sentence. It's based on their rates. Jane travels 3 times as fast as Jill. So Jane is X, and she is 3 times as fast as Jill, which is going to be X equals 3Y. Now, I'm going to solve this system with substitution because I already have my second equation solved for X. So I'm going to put 3y right there for X. 8 times 3y plus 8y equals 256. 8 times 3y is 24y plus 8y equals 256. 24y plus 8y is 32y equals 256. If I divide both sides by 32, y equals 8. So that is how fast Jill is traveling, 8 miles per hour. I'm wondering if they're on bicycles, but anyway. To figure out what Jane's rate is, I am going to take 3 times 8, which is 24. That's my X value. So Jane's rate is 24 miles per hour and Jill's rate is 8 miles per hour.